Eliminating or significantly reducing sugar consumption for 30 days can have several potential effects on the body and overall health. Here are some common outcomes people may experience when they abstain from consuming sugar for a month. Reduced cravings. Initially, you may experience strong cravings for sugary foods, especially if you were consuming them regularly before. However, as time goes on, these cravings often diminish or disappear, leading to a decreased desire for sweet treats. Stabilized blood sugar levels. Cutting out sugar can help stabilize blood sugar levels, preventing the spikes and crashes associated with high sugar intake. This can result in more balanced energy levels throughout the day and reduced feelings of fatigue and lethargy. Weight loss or maintenance. Sugar is a source of empty calories and can contribute to weight gain. By eliminating it from your diet, you may experience weight loss or maintain a healthier weight, especially if your overall caloric intake remains balanced. Improved dental health. High sugar consumption is a significant contributor to tooth decay and cavities. Avoiding sugar can help improve dental health by reducing the risk of cavities and promoting stronger teeth. Enhanced energy levels. Refined sugar can lead to energy crashes and fluctuations. By avoiding sugar, you may experience more consistent energy levels throughout the day, reducing the reliance on sugary snacks for quick energy boosts. Clearer skin. Some individuals find that reducing sugar intake can improve their skin's appearance. High sugar consumption has been linked to skin issues such as acne and inflammation, so eliminating it may help reduce breakouts and promote clearer skin. Improved digestive health. Excessive sugar intake can disrupt the balance of bacteria in the gut and contribute to digestive issues such as bloating, gas, and discomfort. Removing sugar from your diet may help restore a healthier gut microbiome and alleviate these symptoms. Better heart health. A high sugar intake has been associated with an increased risk of heart disease. By reducing or eliminating sugar, you can improve heart health markers such as blood pressure, cholesterol levels, and triglyceride levels. Reduced inflammation. Sugar consumption can trigger an inflammatory response in the body, contributing to chronic inflammation. By eliminating sugar, you may experience a reduction in overall inflammation, leading to improved joint health and decreased risk of inflammatory conditions. Balanced mood. High sugar intake has been linked to mood swings and increased anxiety. Eliminating sugar can help stabilize mood and promote a greater sense of emotional well-being. It's essential to remember that not all sugars are harmful, and natural sugars found in fruits, vegetables, and whole foods are part of a healthy diet. However, it's the added sugars in processed foods and sugary beverages that can be problematic when consumed in excess. Before making significant dietary changes, it's advisable to consult with a healthcare professional or a registered dietitian to ensure that your nutritional needs are adequately met and that the changes align with your individ.